My name is Baker Perry. I'm a professor of climatology and also Nevada State climatologist here at the University of Nevada, Reno. I'm also a senior research associate in the Research Institute for Energy, Environment, and Economics at Appalachian State University, and I'm a National Geographic explorer. This part of the Andes in Argentina and also across the border in Chile has been in the midst of this just really devastating mega drought.
We have huge gaps in our understanding of just the basic processes that enable the glaciers to exist and the snow to fall up here. But we've never had direct measurements of this before, and so now these weather stations will allow us to really quantify, and that will allow us to really improve projections into the future for water resource availability, for the health of the glaciers, and many other really important scientific topics.
A key partner, of course, in this whole Aconcagua project was Yanigla, which is the Argentine Snow and Ice Unit within their National Science Foundation, and they're tasked with monitoring glaciers and water resources, and they already have quite a number of weather stations in the mountains in the central and southern Andes there of Argentina. And so their team was absolutely fantastic. They were very keen to collaborate on this project, and they're the ones that have now taken ownership of the weather stations and will be responsible for the ongoing maintenance and operation. And also, we anticipate that they will lead a number of the scientific publications that come out of this project. Another key partner that came on board is the Department of Irrigation for the province of Mendoza. And they're the ones who are responsible for forecasting, for projecting, for managing the water that comes off of the mountains on a monthly, on an annual basis. And to do that effectively, they need the highest quality data that they have. From the community perspective and from the population centers, we recognize that the runoff from these glaciers and from the snow that falls up high is fundamentally important in sustaining those communities downstream.